The massive storm surge came in and exposed a layer. Underneath the sand dune is clearly some archaeological site, but they probably haven't excavated it because the sand dune protects what's behind the sand dune, which is the rest of Empordà Emporion. But what you see here is that another layer, small outer exterior layer, has been exposed from, and that's probably another reason why they've put the things up that people don't go in there, because not that one would be digging up an ancient Greek stone jar, I don't think, but it is quite significant that this is taking place now. You see, this is all part, this was once, these are just the pieces left behind of the base of the area, or whatever fell apart.